I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming what you have and what you need. Open PowerShell and run Python version. Once done, export installed packages with pip freeze requirements. TXT so you can restore them later. Make a quick decision. Will you install for all users or just your account? Then download the official Windows installer that matches 64-bit or 32-bit. These steps get you ready to run the installer without surprises and preserve your working environments. You now run the installer. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator if you want a system-wide install. Make sure to check Add Python to path so commands work immediately. If you select Customize, enable pip and the PyLauncher, and set the install location to avoid clashes with older versions. Once configured, proceed with the install and monitor the progress. Installing precompiled standard library, files speed startup. Let the installer finish before closing. You finish by verifying the new interpreter. Run Python version and use py-3 x to target specific installs. Once confirmed, recreate your virtual environments with Python mvenv, activate them, and pip install R requirements. TXT to restore packages. If something goes wrong, make sure path points to the correct Python. EXE and that no older installation conflicts exist. If needed, rerun the installer with Customize to change locations or remove previous versions. This final check secures a smooth transition to the updated Python.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.